Good morning, students. Today we'll continue with the chapter My Body. So, children, let's know the definition of sense organs. The sense organs are the body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste, and touch or feel. These sense organs collect informations and send it to the brain for processing. If any one of them is not working properly, we would not be able to either smell, see, hear, taste or feel depending on the sense organ involved. Now let's know about the first sense organ, eyes. Each eyeball is placed in a bony socket in the skull. They are protected by eyelids and eyelashes. These also protect our eyes from dust and dirt. The dark structure in the front of the eyeball is called the iris. Just see this screen, children. You can see the slide and understand. The small round black spot in its center is called the pupil. The pupil allows light to enter the eye. The retina at the back of the eyeball is the screen on which all images get formed. The eye is connected to the brain by a nerve called the optic nerve. Now, children, do you know the two eyes of a chameleon can move independently? Therefore, it can see in two different directions at the same time. The second one is nose. There are nerve endings present in the nose which carry message about any chemical substance. That is, it may be either odor or fragrance that enters the nose. This enables us to smell different substances. The third sense organ is ears. Human ear is divided into three parts: the outer ear, middle ear and the inner ear. The portion of the ear that is visible to us is known as the external ear. External ear may vary in shape and size in different animals. The outer ear directs the sound waves to the inner ear. The middle ear has an eardrum and three small bones which convey the vibrations from the eardrum to the inner ear. The inner ear helps us to hear and maintain the balance of our body. Now the next sense organ is tongue. We know that different parts of the tongue have taste buds which are sensitive to four different tastes: sweet, sour, salty and bitter. Now children, do you know that human tongue has 9,000 taste buds? A pig has 15,000 of them, while a rabbit has 17,000 taste buds. Now the fifth one is skin. The skin forms the natural protective covering of the entire body. It helps us to feel pain, touch, pressure, hotness and coldness. There are sensory structures in the skin which help us to feel these sensations. Now children, do you know that skin is the largest sense organ of our body? And now let's know more about sense organs in different animals. First, about insects. Insects such as cockroach, housefly and butterfly have feelers on their bodies. These insects smell and taste with the help of these feelers. The housefly tastes with its legs. Insect like house cricket can hear through their legs. Now the second is about the aquatic animals. Fish can feel the waves produced in water by other living animals. They feel these waves through their lateral line. This helps them to detect their prey or know about the enemy present around them. Now about birds. Birds have sense organs which enable them to see, to feel, to smell, to hear, and to taste. Beside these responses, birds also make different sounds to inform other birds about different situations. They make a typical sound when there is an enemy around. Similarly, they make a particular sound when they see the availability of food. Birds also group together and make sounds for setting out in search of food or to call all members for taking rest after day's work. They fly in groups, often making interesting shapes in the sky. Now the next one is about the reptiles. Some reptiles like snakes have a long tongue which helps them to feel and smell. A snake senses the availability of food through its tongue only. The snake feels different kind of vibrations on the earth through its skin. This helps it to detect the presence of an enemy, a danger or a prey. Now about mammals. All mammals have sense organs, but some mammals have a special power either to smell, to hear or to see. Dogs have a highly developed sense of smell. Bats have a special power to hear high-pitched sounds. Due to this ability, bats can detect their prey easily, even in the dark. This is the reason why bats hunt at night. They detect their prey with the help of high-pitched sounds known as ultrasonics. Hope you all have understood the chapter. So thank you children and have a nice day.